Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about number system. So, the number system in computer today we will discuss. It is a very important topics. We are already know computer always take zero and ones. So it does not take directly alphabetical orders. So each and everything is converting zero and one forms. So in this number system we will discuss about how to convert. So what do we mean by number system? The techniques to represent numbers in computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into computer memory has a defined number system. Means if any value, any letter computer will takes, then each and everything's converting numbers forms. So in number system, dear students, in number system are classified into four groups. But before this, we will discuss about base. What do we mean by base? Each number system has fixed numbers of digits called base. It is also known as gradients. Okay. So number system has a base. So first we will discuss the types of the number system. Types. We will discuss about types. In number systems, there are four types of the number systems. How many types? Four types of the number systems. First types we will discuss. Decimal number system. Second type binary number system. Third type's name octal number system, and last fourth type's name is hexadecimal number system. So how many types of number system? There are four types of number system. First type's name is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and last hexadecimal number system. So there are four types of number system, dear students. So now we will discuss one by one each and every types. Okay. So first type's name is decimal number system. Okay. One by one we will discuss. So here is a decimal number system. What do you mean by decimal number system? Why we are saying decimal number system? And decimal number system, dear students, here 10 digits present. In decimal number system, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many digits present in decimal number system? Here 10 digits present in decimal number system. So the base of the decimal number system. What is the base of the decimal number system? The base of the decimal number system is 10. Why we are saying the base of the decimal number system is 10? Because in decimal number system 0 to 9 digits present. 0 to 9 digits present. 0 to 9 is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many numbers? Total 10 numbers. So we will say what is the base of the decimal number system? The base of the decimal number system is 10. Understood? Examples. How to write examples? Look here. Suppose we are writing 25 and 25 we will write in this way. So the base of the 25 is 10. So we will know in which number system it is. It is in decimal number system. How to say? Because the base of the numbers here is in decimal forms. Any problems? Suppose A, how to indicate? This is your number and here is the base. So base is also known as radix. So 25 here is the number and 10 is the base. Any problem? Next types. Second type's name is binary number system. What do you mean by binary number system? Dear students, computer only understood 0 and 1. So binary number system has only two digits, 0 and 1. So the base of the binary number system is 2. Okay? How many digits per digit in binary number system? 2 digits. So 0 and 1. So the base of the binary number system is 2. Okay? In decimal number system, the base of the decimal number system is 10 because there 10 digits are there. And here 2 digits, 0 and 1. So the base of the binary number system is 2. Okay? So in computer system, dear students, a computer always convert in 0 and 1 forms. Because computer only understood 0 and 1s. Okay, so now we will discuss which is the binary number system. And the base binary number system is a computer system, is number system in which only 2 digits 0 and 1 we will take, and the base of the binary number system is 2. So how do we represent? Examples. Suppose I am writing here 1 1 0 1 and it is in the form of binary number system. How to know this is in the form of binary number system? Because here is given 2. Okay, next. Octal number system. This is the third type. Octal number system. According to the names, octals. In an octal number system, there are 8 digits are there. 0 to 7 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many digits counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the base of the octal number system is 8. What is the base? Base of the octal number system is 8. So we are saying the base of the octal number system is 8. This is the representation of the octal number system. Any problem? Any problem, dear students? Okay. So how to write examples? If we will write examples, suppose I am writing 121, and here we will write 8. Then which is octal number system, because the base of the octal number system is 8. Okay. Next. Fourth number, dear students. Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. What do you mean by hexadecimal number system? Dear students, in hexadecimal number system, the base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. But look at 0 to 9 numbers we will take, and A, B, C, D, E, and F. All are pertaining the hexadecimal number system. 0 to 9 10 digits, 0 to 9 10 digits, and A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here total numbers of digits here 60. So the base of the hexadecimal number system is 60. The value of A is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? Okay, dear students. So this is number system. Now we will discuss how to convert binary to decimal or decimal to binary, dear students. How to convert binary to decimal or decimal to binary number systems. So dear students, now we will discuss how to convert decimal to binary. Any problem? So now we will discuss the examples. Decimal to binary. Okay. Decimal to binary. Suppose one example. Decimal to binary. How to convert decimal to binary number system? So we will discuss. Okay. Here 25 is given. We are taking 25. So here this is in decimal form, because 25 is in decimal form, and we are converting in binary. So binary, if we want to convert in binary, then what the base of the binary number system is? 2. Then we will divide by 2. So 2, how many times? 12 times. A remainder. So every remainder right in this side. So 1 is remainder. Again divided by 2. 6 here. Remainder is 0. All of you understood now how to rewrite. Suppose you have 25 here. We will divide 25. So 1 times 0. 5, 2 times 4, 1. So remainder always write in this side and Q is writing. Okay. So 2, 3 times remainder 0. Again 2, 1 times the remainder is 1, again 2, 0 times, remainder is 1. Okay, so 25 is in the decimal form, and in binary form answer right from down to up. So 1, 0, 0, 1, and here we will put the base. This is the answer. Dear students, after complete questions, after solve the questions, many students always give confusion. It is correct or not correct. So dear students, if you want to know it is correct or not correct, second test. It is the first test name, decimal to binary. Now we will discuss binary to decimal. So same question we will take. Suppose here given 1, here given 1, 0, 0, 2. Sorry, 1. Not 2. Okay. So now we will check it. First, here 1 into the power of 2 is 0. Always we will start the power of 2 from 0. Okay. Next, 0 into the power of 2 is 1. 0 into the power of 2 is 2. 1 into the power of 2 is 3. 1 into the power of 2 is 4. Here 1 into 1, the power of 2 is 2, the power of 2 is 0 there remains, so that means 1 is equal to 1. Next, 0 into any number, then 0. 0 into any numbers is equal to 0. 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8. 1 into 2 to the power 4 is 16. Right. Then and the total 16 plus 8, 24, and plus 1, 25. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. It is in binary number system, and 25 is in decimal number system. So this way we will check the answer. Okay? Okay? Okay. So thank you. आज के लिए. Okay. Thank you. Next class I will discuss how to solve binary to octal, octal to binary, hexadecimal, decimal, this way.